guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm taking you in a place where I haven't taken you in a while. We are going upstairs into our master bedroom. It's been a little while since I have shared any type of decorate with me, aside from maybe an older video in this space. I have been having some love-hate relationship with this room, and it's time to put that to rest and just get it decorated and make it an inviting place for me to come and relax and sleep, of course. I am super excited because I am collaborating with Temu for this video, and I would like to thank them for sponsoring this video. And I have picked up some great items to decorate and also dress my bed with because I have been in need of a new comforter, and I have found so many great comforters on the website. It was hard to choose just the right one for me. They also have lots of duvet covers if that's something that you're looking for. But without further ado, I'm going to get started with dressing my room and sharing all the things that I have gotten from Temu for this space.
Temu is a popular online marketplace known for offering a wide range of affordable products, from home decor to fashion, electronics, and beyond. Their easy-to-use app makes shopping a breeze with tons of deals and discounts at your fingertips. Before we dive into decorating, I have a special treat for you. Use my code below for a $100 coupon and coupon bundle, plus an extra 90% off your purchase from Temu. Now let's start with my bed. I was in need of new bedding and really wanted a comfortable yet stylish comforter. I found the perfect one here on Temu, an all-season 3-piece comforter set in king size in this gorgeous beige color. This comforter is unbelievably soft and looks so high-end. I specifically chose a comforter instead of a duvet cover because we prefer comforters in our home. But if you prefer duvet covers, Temu has a fantastic selection of both options to suit your needs. As the winter months approach, I wanted to get bedding that is warm and cozy, and this one checks all the boxes. For those who have been following along, you might remember the quilt I had for the summer, which also came from Temu. I'll try to link the video here so you can see how I styled it with that quilt as well. To add some extra comfort, I'm using these Euro-style pillows I already had at home. They're perfect for layering on the bed and adding that luxurious touch. Next, I picked up these striped patchwork corduroy throw pillow covers in its beautiful burnt yellow color, perfect for fall. I love how this shade leans more towards a deep cozy yellow rather than a bright one, making it ideal for the season. These covers come in 6 different colors, so you can find the perfect match for your decor. And speaking of covers, Temu has an incredible variety to choose from. I love using pillow covers because they save on space and I can easily swap them out for every season. To complete my bed, I also picked up this boho throw blanket in an olive color. It's so soft and cozy with that high-end waffle texture that's perfect for snuggling up during nap time. I also love that this blanket can easily transform from fall to winter decor. It's available in 3 other colors too, so there's something for everyone. And that's it for the bed. I am absolutely obsessed with how it turned out. If this doesn't scream cozy fall, I don't know what does. Moving on, I picked up these silk olive leaves, which come in a set of 5. They're 37 inches long, making them perfect for tall vases, but you can also bend them like I did to fit into shorter vases. I chose the autumn style, which has a beautiful seasonal look that adds a high-end touch to any room, and they are super affordable too. I'm always on the hunt for affordable seasonal florals that don't look cheap, and Temu definitely has a lot to choose from. Whether you're looking for subtle touches or bold statement pieces, their selection offers high-end looks at budget-friendly prices, making it easy to refresh your decor each season without breaking the bank. Another silk floral item I grabbed are these orange and yellow branches. There are 12 in the set, and they're so pretty and unique. Also very affordable, which is always a win in my book. Before I share a home tour, I wanted to share with you 2 other items that I had picked up. Also, these are this one is more of a necessity as well, rather than a decor, but it is a nice decorative piece, but it is a very functional piece. I have picked up this dog mat for my sliding door. I'm going to be using it obviously for the wet months, which are approaching, fall, winter, spring. Dogs bring in a lot of mess, and these are supposed to, they're the Chanel ones, they're supposed to help with the wetness from the paws and
dry their paws and all that fun stuff. So I am looking forward to having something functional by my sliding door versus what I had before. And then and the last thing that I picked up is a little early, but you are never too early to shop for Christmas, and is this Norfolk pine. This is so hard to come by in where I live. I have never been able to find it at a reasonable price. The price is quite high at nurseries, and I haven't seen it at like any other place. So I was very excited to see that they carried it, and I just love the way this looks.
The Norfolk pine branches from Temu are absolutely awesome. They have such a realistic and high-end look, perfect for adding a touch of greenery to your home at Christmas. If you love this look, you'll be thrilled to know that Temu also carries matching garlands and wreaths, so you can create a cohesive and beautiful display throughout your space. To wrap up this room tour, I added a few pumpkins to bring in that final fall touch. I love how everything came together, creating such a warm and cozy atmosphere. Make sure to download the Temu app and use the code below to score some amazing deals on your own fall decor purchases. I'd like to thank Temu for sponsoring this video, and thank you all so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to subscribe if you're not, and make sure that bell is turned on, and I will also have all the links for all the products down in the description box. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.